years ago under retail companies and then 10 years e-commerce company. And I started, I'm part of the team, Lazada team. We have 8,000 active sellers of Lazada right now. So, isa ako dun sa mga nag-umpisa ng mga sellers na nagbibenta digitally. Nag-umpisa sila na nagbibenta offline and then we transition them to selling online. So, how was it? It's hard because we've been talking to them for the past few months and then tsaka lang siya mag-convert or mag-transition to online kasi nung time na yun, wala pang pandemya. Way back 2014 when we are starting marketplace. So this is the same vision that I have right now. So 19 years of experience under retail and e-commerce. I'm here at Airspeed right now. So there's a lot of pain points. I've been talking to different sellers, business owners, and ano yung pain points nila. So one of the pain points that they have, gusto nila magbenta pero walang resource. Wala silang pang-put up na website. Meron silang Facebook page pero hindi masyadong maraming followers. And sa media clutter na nangyayari ngayon after pandemic, nahihirapan sila magbenta. So another thing is, wala silang storage. Bakit? Kasi it's a parang business lang sa loob ng bahay. Meron ding seller na empleyado na nagbebenta din sa loob ng bahay na pag-uwi pa, tsaka siya mag-fulfill na order. And tsaka lang siya mag-replenish ng stocks. Meron din gustong mag-export dahil magaganda yung produkto and very unique pero wala silang capability to export their products. So these particular pain points, we're able to help them under this SME program. So not only, and we are not only a logistics company offering end-to-end logistics service, but after that, after setting up this particular company, we came up with an SME program wherein we help our local SMEs grow their business, we empower them, we help them, their business to be more sustainable. So, ano yung SME program na ito? So, as we have shown you under this particular video, we have SME program that we are launching today. We have Finaspeed, it's an online platform wherein our partner sellers like them, or our sellers na mga pinupuntahan namin during trade shows and forums and conference, we invite them to check on our online booking platform. This is just an entry level wherein SME or a seller, they'll have their sign up, chance to have another hour to send their products. Initially, they'll have an account manager, and after that, we will transition them to a bigger picture of what Airspeed is doing under end-to-end logistics service. So another program is Kahama-Hama Pilipinas. So this is one of the projects that really close to our heart. Why? We support local goods. This particular platform supports local products that are really product of different provinces here in the Philippines. Like Ms. Rafael's mentioned a while ago, that we have been tying up with different government agencies, LGUs, and also private sectors, which can help these sellers to sell online. Ano yung mga produkto na meron kami? Ito yung mga sample na meron kaming product na in-onboard namin or in-enlist namin dun sa website namin Kahama-Hama Pilipinas. It's a platform where we sell local products, and these are part of our SME program and vision that we wanted to support all of these particular sellers to showcase their products using our platform. These sellers doesn't have any, or some of them doesn't have a resource to have their own web.com or website, and some are also selling at the page. Or they are mostly digitally adopted. For those that are not digitally adopted, we help them upload their products. So we give them assistance. Next program is the PUDO, or which is Pick Up and Drop Off Network Partners. So this gives more flexibility to our sellers to deliver their goods. So sample, may order sila. And they are parang, like what I've said, may 3 points. Nagbebenta sila online, tapos nagtatrabaho din sila sa umaga, sa gabi lang sila pwede fulfill ang orders. So, pwede silang pumunta sa mga retail kiosks namin and then, or to go partners to drop off this particular parcel and send their products to their clients. Another thing is fulfilled by SK. We also do handling and organizing of orders. So one of the pain points that we have discussed during the discussion a while ago is yung pain point na nahihirapan sila mag-fulfill pag overflow na yung order. So we have also this particular program wherein we handle all of the products. Kami yung nagpipick, nagpapack ng physical. Especially those sellers that are under Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok today. We help them to fulfill their orders para hindi ma-cancel kasi benta nila sa kanila. So, yan yung mga, isa sa mga, yan yung mga programs na meron kami with ACDEC and SME program fairs. We also have digital customer service. So, ano itong digital customer service? Ito yung, we help these sellers to engage and give good experience to their customers. Pag may mga inquiry, alam naman natin pag nag-inquire, interesado. So we need to make sure that these particular questions are being answered para mag-turn or mag-convert siya sa pera. So we also help our sellers or our merchants to have this particular service. And then, so we are already envisioning SME program to help our sellers or merchants in the future. And in relation to these particular programs, we are also giving away up to 10% discount for all of the sellers or partners of Airspeed that will be signing up to our SME program. And then, at Airspeed, we don't want any business to be left behind. So we want every business to be successful or every seller to be successful. So we don't only move goods, we don't only send products. We want our partners to be, to build their business, to impact their lives, and to build our community. So why we do local products or local brands? Bakit hindi yung mga international tsaka malalaki? So as Ms. Rafael mentioned already, this particular local brands, they are the backbone of our community. So by supporting local brands, we support ourselves. So we foster local economy improvement. And then we also serve unique creativeness of our partners. So we wanted to envision everything as local. Okay. So, kagaya ng sabi ni Ma'am Rafael na we support them, we support our own. So, not only this, the SME program is just a start of what we have partnered with. We will have more and scalable plans as we move forward. And we have a lot of things to do and partner with the sellers and merchants and who can help us also give this message to everyone and help us encourage Filipino sellers to sell online, to patronize our products. Yun lang po. So, I think that's all for me. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Liz.